Welcome to the Al-Anon Alateen website tutorial. In this tutorial we're going to create a meeting. This is in the admin pages, and we have a link to meeting create, and normally this would require a password, but I have bypassed that function. And in here we have our choices of tabs: general info, name, date, time, location, type, and contact. We're going to start off with the general info. The number function is not used at this time, so we can enter anything in here. This is the meeting name. We'll call it the Al-Anon meeting. And we can choose a day that the meeting is going to happen. Let's say it's on Tuesdays at 8 p.m. In here are notes that will appear on the web page in the meeting list and in the meeting details. And let's say we'll say enter left side of church. The next field is PDF notes. These are notes that will appear in the PDF file, the printable meeting list. So enter left side church. Location. In here, this is the name of the church, or the name of the meeting location. Church, and the address. We're going to use 1 East Unity Street, and Raleigh. Don't know the zip code right now. North Carolina. We have longitude and latitude. This information is used by the map to show a location for the meeting. The way that I get that information is I go over to Google Maps, and we're going to enter the address, 1 East Unity Street in Raleigh, North Carolina, and it shows us a marker of that address. And then over here is the zip code 27601. So let's go back and we'll enter that information, 27601. Oh, zip code 27601. Now the way I get the longitude and latitude information is I come back to this map. I put the mouse near the location. I right click and click on what's here, and it drops that green icon. And then if you notice up here, we have got the longitude and latitude information. Come back here, put the parenthesis in, and we press Control V to paste the longitude and latitude information. Meeting picture. We're going to choose a meeting picture. This will appear on the details page of the meeting under the picture button. So we'll click choose file, and we've got all these pictures, and I'm going to choose this one here and just click open. And then we're asked, is it a handicap accessible meeting? We're going to say yes. Now we're going to type of meeting in. Is this an Al-Anon meeting? Yes. Is it a beginner meeting? We'll say yes. Is it an open meeting? And we'll say yes. Is it an Alateen meeting? No. Is it a Spanish-speaking meeting? No. Is there a concurrent Alateen meeting? We'll say no. Is there a concurrent AA meeting? And we'll say no. Under contact, there's contact information that we can put in the database. I don't use it. I don't pull it out of the database, so I normally don't enter that information. The help button over here brings up a little window and just some notes about how to fill out the meeting. And it shows concurrent AA means that there's an AA meeting at the same time and location. Little notes like that if you happen to forget. So we've completed all our information. So now we're going to click the Submit button. And now we get the meeting. Probably should have capitalized C. but we can do that when we get to the edit meeting function. Now, let's make sure that the picture is there. And there's our picture. Make sure our map is there. Our map comes up to the right spot. Let's make sure the PDF is right. This was Tuesday, Raleigh, 8 p.m., the Al-Anon meeting. This links back to the details page, and that does work. Close that window. And the last thing to check is the meeting map. This shows all our Tuesday meetings. Let's see. That's the AFG at Westminster, happy hour, and there's our meeting that we just created, the Al-Anon meeting. And again, this gives us the address and the note about entering the left side of church, and then back to the details page, if we should want. And that concludes the create a meeting. Let me show you one more thing. Let me show you the actual database. I'm going to sort this by DB number. And the meeting we just created is now meeting number 173. The meeting name, the location, the address, the city, blah, 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 longitude and latitude information. And then as we go over, here's our Al-Anon beginner open information, our notes. Notes PDF didn't get filled out. It looks like I got an error. And our picture, step by step. Or maybe we'll fix the church and the notes PDF when we go over how to edit a meeting. And that concludes this section of the tutorials. Thank you.